Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to enable the Telnet client in Windows 11 and Windows Server 2022. First, open Server Manager from the Start menu. Click the Manage menu in the top right corner and then select Add Roles and Features. In the Add Roles and Features wizard, click Next on the Before You Begin window. Continue to click Next on the Select Installation Type. On the Select Features screen, scroll down the list of available features, check on the Telnet client, and click Next. Then click Install on the confirmation installation selections. Once done, close the Add Roles and Features wizard and restart your system. First, open the Control Panel. In the Control Panel, click on Programs. Click Turn Windows Features on or off under the Programs and Features section. In the Windows Features window, scroll down the list of available features, check Telnet Client, and then click OK. Open the Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. Open the Start menu on the taskbar. Type PowerShell and click Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type the following command and press Enter. Then perform a restart of your server. Once the Telnet client is installed, you can launch it from the command prompt or via the Windows search function. If you enjoy Telnet's text-based command line, you'll likely prefer using the command prompt. In that case, open the command prompt, type the command Telnet, and press Enter on your keyboard. A slightly faster way to open the Telnet client and command prompt simultaneously is to search for the word Telnet. In Windows 11, click the search button on the taskbar and enter Telnet. Either way, once the search results appear, click or tap on the Telnet shortcut.